Your TV is not blurry because it is broken. It is blurry because of specific settings that most people never change, and in some cases, never even know exist. Fix these, and you will wonder how you ever watch TV the other way. Stay until number 1. That is the one that changes everything. Number 6. Motion smoothing is making everything look wrong. This is the most common cause of a TV that looks blurry, smeared, or artificially smooth, and it comes turned on by default on almost every TV sold today. Motion smoothing works by analyzing each frame of video and inserting artificially generated frames between them to make motion appear fluid. The result is what is known as the soap opera effect. Movement that looks unnatural, over-smooth, and cheap. Film grain disappears. Fine detail during any movement blurs into mush because the inserted frames are guesses, not real image data. The fix is simple. Go to Picture Settings and find Motion or Motion Smoothing. On Samsung, it is called Auto Motion Plus. On LG, it is True Motion. On Sony, it is Motion Flow. On TCL, it is Motion Clarity. Turn everything in that section to off. The change is immediate. Movies look like movies again. Number 5. Your sharpness is set too high. Turning up sharpness sounds logical. More sharpness means a sharper image, but that is not how TV sharpness controls work. The sharpness setting on your TV does not enhance existing detail. It adds artificial edge outlines around objects in the image using a process called edge enhancement. At high sharpness settings, faces develop an unnatural crunchy texture. Objects develop halos around them. Fine background detail gets replaced with artificial contrast that was never in the source material. The correct sharpness setting on most TVs is 0 or very close to it. Set it to 0 and look at a face on screen. If it looks soft, bring it up slightly, but only as far as you need to. Anything above that point is processing that hurts the picture rather than helping it. Number 4. The picture mode is set to the wrong preset. Different picture modes apply completely different processing profiles to the image. The vivid or dynamic mode, which most TVs default to out of the box, applies heavy sharpness, boosted saturation, elevated brightness, and aggressive motion processing all at once. The result is an image that looks sharp in a store, but washed out and unnatural at home. Switch to Cinema, Movie, or Filmmaker mode. These modes disable or reduce most of the processing that causes the blurry, overcooked look. Filmmaker mode specifically is designed to turn off motion smoothing, sharpness boosting, and color exaggeration, showing you the content the way the creator intended it to look. This single change alone resolves the blurry look for a large number of people without touching any other setting. Number 3. Your streaming quality is being throttled. If your TV looks blurry specifically when streaming, not when watching a Blu-ray or a connected device, the problem may not be the TV settings at all. It may be the streaming quality being automatically reduced by your internet connection or by the streaming service itself. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and other services automatically drop video quality when they detect a slower connection. A 4K video reduced to 1080p or 720p due to bandwidth throttling will look noticeably blurry on a large screen. Check your internet speed. Streaming 4K content requires a sustained connection of at least 25 megabits per second. Also check the quality settings inside the streaming app itself. Most services have a manual video quality option you can set to high or ultra HD to force the best available stream. Number 2. Your HDMI cable cannot handle the signal. If the blurriness appears only when a specific device is connected, a gaming console, a 4K streaming box, or a Blu-ray player, the HDMI cable may not be able to carry the full signal that device is outputting. Older HDMI cables were built for lower bandwidth signals. Newer devices output 4K at high frame rates with HDR, and an older cable cannot always carry that information cleanly. The result is a degraded, soft signal that looks compressed even when the source content is high quality. Replace your HDMI cable with one labeled high-speed or ultra-high-speed HDMI. These cables are rated for the full bandwidth that modern 4K content requires. They cost a few dollars and immediately eliminate any signal degradation caused by the cable. Number 1. A full factory reset and clean recalibration. If everything above is already set correctly and the TV still looks blurry, a factory reset is the most complete fix available. Settings that have been adjusted in conflicting ways, corrupted picture profiles, or processing modes that were partially enabled and then partially changed can all interact to produce a softness that no individual setting tweak will solve. Go to Settings, then General or Support, and select Factory Reset. After the TV resets, go directly to Picture Settings and choose Cinema or Filmmaker mode. Set sharpness to 0. Turn off noise reduction, motion smoothing, and dynamic contrast. Set color temperature to warm 2. Starting from a clean baseline with those settings applied produces the sharpest, most accurate picture your TV is capable of. And most people who do this are genuinely surprised at the difference compared to what they were watching before.